Imagine opening your freezer and finding five different colorful ice creams, all homemade. But here is the surprising part, you don't need five different recipes. Just one simple base can create five delicious fruit flavors. Today in my kitchen, we are turning bananas, fresh fruits, curd, and honey into creamy blueberry, strawberry, plum, pear, and mango ice creams without cream and without an ice cream maker. So let's turn these simple fruits into something really special. So here I'm taking 12 bananas, 8 to 10 blueberries, 4 to 5 medium sized strawberries, 2 to 3 plums, 1 medium sized pear, and 1 mango. First, let's prepare the fruits. Cut the bananas into slices. For the mango, remove the top and bottom, peel it, and cut the mango into thin slices. Now arrange the bananas and mangoes slices separately on a plate. Make sure the pieces are not touching each other. This is important because once they freeze, they can stick together and become difficult to separate. Place the plate in the deep freezer for about 2 to 3 hours. Now let's prepare the plum and pear. For the plum, remove the hard center and seeds, then cut it into slices. For the pear, remove the hard center and seeds and cut it into slices as well. Keep both fruits separately in the deep freezer. For the strawberries and blueberries, simply wash them and wipe them and properly freeze them. For the best results, the fruits should be completely frozen before making the ice cream. After the fruits have been frozen for around 4 to 5 hours, we can start making our ice creams. Let's start with blueberry. Take 2 frozen banana slices, frozen blueberries, 2 heaped tablespoons of thick curd and 3 teaspoons of honey. Put everything into a mixer jar. Blend it nicely until you get a smooth and creamy mixture. The banana gives the ice cream a naturally creamy texture, while the blueberries give it a beautiful color and delicious fruity flavor. Pour the mixture into an ice cream mold, and our first flavor is ready. Next, let's make the strawberry ice cream. Take 2 frozen banana slices, frozen strawberries, 2 heaped tablespoons of curd, and 3 teaspoons of honey. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy. Look at that beautiful natural strawberry color. Pour it into the mold and keep it ready for freezing. This is such an easy way to make homemade strawberry ice cream without an ice cream machine. Now let's take our third flavor, plum ice cream. Take 2 frozen banana slices, frozen plum slices, 2 heaped tablespoons of curd and 3 teaspoons of honey. Blend everything really well. The sweet and slightly tangy flavor of plum combined with banana makes a delicious and refreshing ice cream. Pour it into the mold. And flavor number 3 is ready. Let's make our fourth flavor, pear ice cream. Take 3 frozen banana slices, frozen pear pieces, 2 heaped tablespoons of thick curd, and 3 teaspoons of honey. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. Pear gives this ice cream a mild, refreshing, and naturally sweet flavor. Pour it into the mold. And there we have it. Our fourth flavor is ready to go in the freezer. Finally, it's time for everyone's favorite, mango. For mango ice cream, take 3 frozen banana slices, frozen mango pieces, 2 heaped tablespoons of curd and 3 teaspoons of honey. Here we are using 3 banana slices because mango is a large fruit and we want the right creamy consistency. Blend everything until completely smooth. The natural sweetness and beautiful flavor of ripe mango makes this one absolutely irresistible. Pour it into the ice cream mold. And there we have it, 5 delicious fruit ice cream flavors from one simple method. Now cover the molds properly and place them in the deep freezer overnight or for about 10 to 12 hours. Once the ice creams are completely frozen, take them out of the freezer. Don't try to demold them immediately. Let them sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then gently rub the outside of the mold with your hands. The warmth from your hands will slightly loosen the ice cream, making it much easier to remove. And now look at these beautiful homemade ice creams. We have blueberry, strawberry, plum, pear and mango. 5 different flavors all made with one simple base. So friends, which flavor would you like to try first? Blueberry, strawberry, plum, pear or mango? I personally find it so exciting that with just a few simple ingredients, we can make 5 delicious fruit ice creams at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to Amrali Kitchen for more easy, healthy, and tasty, delicious homemade recipes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.